Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send a disappearing photo on Instagram so people can only view it once. So what we need to do is make sure the Instagram app is up to date. Once you are sure of that, then click on your Instagram account app and then we will go to the direct message. After that, search for a chat or make a new one. Then what you can do is click on the photo icon on the left side. And here you got two options. What you can do is basically make a new picture as now or add a existing photo. And that is what we will do now. Let's choose this photo. And if you would like to be disappearing, that people, if they watch it, it will disappear, then just click on allow replay. And now you can click another time and it is selected on view once. So if people watch this photo, then it will disappear automatically. And that is how you send a view once photo on Instagram. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and we will see you in the next one.